I have something really interesting for you today. This was nothing like I've ever seen before. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to the Emerald Show. How did you all sleep? Really? Well, that's just great. You know, I slept pretty great myself too. Really great, actually. I had a great dream about being my dragon. I just flew right out of the window. It was awesome. But that's not why we're here. And it's gonna be quite interesting this time. Because boy, do I have a surprise for you. This is the first time for me as well, since it's an unscripted unboxing. We got the camera right here to watch the box, and we got the camera right in front of me to watch me. Oh, it's a chunk. Oh, I can see a little bit inside. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I'm just gonna call alongside here. Come on. Yeah. Jeez. Okay, this is the safest way to handle a knife. Okay, hold on. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Come on. I'm cutting away from myself, so this is safe. Yeah! Whoa! Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh my god. Oh, what would you rather have on your unscripted unboxing? The 8849 or Fold Galaxy Z Fold 4. It's like they're not even confident in what they're presenting. Boom! That's a chonker. Holy Moses. Look at that. This thing smashes this. You can hurt someone with this. Okay, I want to make sure that I just do this as gently as possible. This is so scary. I didn't even open it. Okay, I'm gonna try a different tactic. Oh, give me my chunk! At least I think it's a chunk. Brand new phone. No one has ever been here. Ooh. I forgot there was a seal on it. Sorry guys, I lied. Now here we go. Yeah. Almost. Okay, I'm gonna help her a bit. She's not happy. She does not want to be revealed. Reveal your Oh my god. Okay. I don't want to look. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at this thing. And then look at this. And this is already big. This is already a brick. But this is not a brick. This is a bunker. Oh boy. Tank 2. Oh, that's heavy. Oh boy, that's huge. Oh, and a screen protector. Nice. Whoa. Oh, damn, that's a brick. That's a proper peculiarity right there. Oh, wow. Oh, what a cable. This is already better than modern flagships, and trust me, it didn't cost as much. Imagine pulling this out of your pocket. It's almost like a laptop. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's a big baby. Look at those lights. Oh my god, you can light a festival terrain with that. Look at those cameras. Oh, it's pre-charged. Rugged by Unihertz. That's the company I love. Is that a mosquito? Ah, shit. Ah, I got it. I got it. Okay, I catched it. But let's just take a look at the features, because I haven't even showed you the best part. Now, let's not add a SIM card right now. We're not interested in that. Let me add the Wi-Fi. Change wallpaper. Does it include Tootsie? Probably not. I did not expect this thing to be this... Ew! That's why I don't like Google. All the stuff that I don't want. But damn, this thing looks... What's this? Is this like a bootleg Google Wallet? Warning simulator. What does this do? Oh! Whoa! No! Oh my god, we're swatted! Oh. Why is it... Why is this a thing? Camping lamp? Warning. After the camping lamp is turned on, do not irradiate your eyes. Okay, half. Okay, this is slightly bright, half bright. The extremely bright mode cannot be turned on repeatedly within 10 minutes. Is it that heavy? Oh my god, how do I turn this off? Oh my god, I have to go to the toolbox, don't I? To just go to the light and then fucking turn it off. Where did it go? I don't know. I don't know where I put it. I mean, it's just a bunch of apps. Wait, did it turn off? No, it's still on. It's off. Is it off now? She's off. Okay, cool. Oh, that's a proper break right there. So before we move on, I just want to say a quick thing. Do you notice something? Like anything at all? Let me tell you. No bloatware. Absolutely nothing. And any apps that are on there, for example the Sasa remote, you can uninstall them. Not disable. Uninstall. You will never see it again. You actually save space. My Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 had bloatware on it. You cannot delete it. Like 265 gigs and half is already filled right out of the gate. I dare to say that this 250 gigabyte storage is barely even filled at all. Look at that, 16 gigs! That is 16 gigs out of the 265 gigs. Look at this. They have self-repair. You can literally go to them, say this and this is broken, and they send you a kit to repair it. A company like that deserves all the praise, no matter if they're in China or in the EU or in South Korea like Samsung. They deserve the fame. I didn't even test this device fully, but this I love. I haven't even showed the best part. It has a fucking laser projector with autofocus. It can project easily, sharply on 1 meter distance. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What's gonna happen? In Sterling projector avoid. I cannot show it. You know what? I'm just gonna show it like this. You're not supposed to do icon. What just happened? Whoa! No! No! Oh, that is so cool! Guys, do you see this? Do you see this? Oh, oh, it's so interesting! This is the guy! I'm sorry, I'm hyperventilating. I am hypervent. I'm sorry, I need to rest for a little. I'm not joking. Oh fuck. Oh no. That is the best fucking thing I've ever seen. I did not expect that to work so well. Imagine sitting in front of a plane, putting this up. Fuck foldable devices. This is the new thing. You have a fucking computer. You can literally compute on this. What a peculiarity. And it works so well. Like, I can actually read the text. Like, mind you, this is only 720p, but it is not terrible. Like, I can read to my screen. You know where this is going. We're going to the worst channel in the world, which is called The Emerald Show.
Intro, the video did not go as planned. This was really hard to install, but it was mostly mistakes from my end.
La 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 la.
It's great.
La 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 la. Look forward, look. I'm not shining out the window.
Patreon subscribers, and let's begin. We're going to try to modify the build plate to become.
This is literally the best peculiarity I've ever had on the show.
To break that stuff.
Now let's install a game. Whoa, what was that? What was that noise? Is that like a Google Play noise? That was... What was that, the projector? Whoa! It has a headphone jack! This is more advanced than modern flagships. Holy shit. Okay, it's a bit janky, but we're gonna do it anyway. Yeah. So now, I should be able to use this remote. Oh, we have a mouse! Whoa, we have a console! Oh, this is cooler than the Steam Deck. Okay, where do we go? Oh yeah, begin. Okay, let's go. Oh crap, this is working perfect. It's just like, oh, this is not good. The controls are terrible, but you get the idea. This is like the OG best gaming setup, I swear. Why did it mute again? Get the hell out of here. Oh yeah. I'm gaming, guys, I'm doing it! Oh, this is cool! Oh, this is so cool. Come here. Ah, come on. Oh, this is fun, it's working! You can actually game with this. This is so... come here. This is so cool. Let's try to finish this level. Whoa, I'm doing it. I have a console screen on the go. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, shit. Come. Ah. Oh, 2x. Yeah, we did it! Oh, this is cool! Wow, look at that! I do not expect a great camera, by the way. Let's just see what it does. Night vision, what does that do? Okay. I mean, fair enough, I guess. Video. Okay, photo. So we got 2x zoom. Ooh, is that a physical zoom? That's a physical zoom. That's awesome. Okay, that's cool. That's a real zoom. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, a fisheye lens. I like that. Cool. Okay, I like that. Not great zoom, but it's cool that it's there. Infrared, seriously? Oh, that is cool. Look at the sleepy Dirk. Okay, that's super cool. No, that's... Oh, you can even tune it. Oh, no way. You can actually set the brightness of the infrared? Seriously? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Alright, let's check the selfie. I look like a boomer. Hold on, let me fix that. That's better. Okay, yeah. Cannot believe the first photo I've ever taken on this thing is a selfie with like potentially hundreds of other people watching. Amazing. But it's good. It's good. It's doing what it's doing. But yeah, it's a Samsung camera that's in there, so you basically can expect the same quality as like Samsung Galaxy level camera. So that's cool. But we are here for blood, and we're gonna root this thing so that we can get all of the blood out. So let's get started. So for the techie peculiarities under us that are still watching, my original plan was to download the stock ROM from Unihertz Google Drive page, which you had to request access to. They respond usually within 24 hours, and that was when I got access to the firmware. But as time went on, I felt increasingly more wary to flash a new ROM on a brand new device that I liked so much and risking to brick it. When suddenly I realized something. During the stream, I accidentally hit the update button and I got an over-the-air update to the latest Android. And my guess was that the firmware on the Google Drive was now the same as the one on my phone. So instead of flashing a whole new ROM, I simply took the bootloader from the firmware and patched it with Magisk. Then I unlocked the bootloader in my phone in the developer settings, which was super easy to do, just one click and done. And then I used fastboot to upload the patched bootloader image, and then I was done and I had Magisk. But you are here to see blood, so here's a time lapse of me struggling for almost 4 hours trying to install the root and flash the ROM, only to find out that I didn't have to. So you saw me very enthusiastic about this device, and honestly it is a really good one. But after the stream and while editing this video, I got to use this phone for the first few days, and there are some downsides to it, which I will guide you through right now so that you can make the right decision. While it's true that there is a headphone jack right next to the USB-C plug, I did notice that there was a really thick border next to it, and if you have a relatively normal plug, you might end up fighting this thing. Either you have to have a really thin plug or you end up cutting the sides out of it to make sure that it fits. Reminds me of the old iPhone days. Another thing that I've noticed is that the USB-C plug looks a little weird. I don't know what's going on, but it seems the inside sticks out a little bit. I have not encountered any problems plugging in any type of USB-C plug, either the original or ones that I already had, but it's something you might want to keep in mind. If you intend to shoot 4K video, then this might not be the phone for you. I have looked at the hardware information and it does seem that it's capable of shooting 4K video, but my guess is that it's a software issue and that they don't have the codec to shoot 4K video. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was an absolute blast to both stream and make. Absolute wonderful peculiarity. Never had something like this on the show before. If you're going to bed, of course, you need traditional peculiarities, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now. For those that are interested how my professional movie studio looks like during this unboxing, let me give you a quick tour. We got here the light, which is basically a light for my bike, with toilet paper as diffuser.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Shut up. Look at that professional recording studio. Here we have the selfie stick that looks down on the box, phone doing its thing, Sleepy Dragon, webcam,